The 2025 RV season is bringing some impressive innovations, and one standout in the world of compact travel trailers is the Xplore XC Duo. Built by the well-known British manufacturer Elddis, part of the prestigious Erwin Hymer Group. The new Xplore XC Duo is designed specifically for couples who want all the comforts of home while enjoying the freedom of life on the road. Compact, lightweight, and packed with features, this trailer is redefining what affordable luxury means in the world of RVing. The Xplore XC Duo replaces the outgoing Xplore 422 model and offers a significant upgrade in both design and features. At just 19.2 feet long and 7.15 feet wide, this single-axle trailer is easy to tow and maneuver, perfect for midsize SUVs and even electric vehicles. With a lightweight frame and a maximum weight of just 2,535 pounds, it's built for effortless towing on highways and even through those narrow, scenic country roads. Despite its small footprint, the Xplore XC Duo has a clever and efficient layout. Inside, you'll find a bright, open-plan design with a spacious front lounge that transforms into a comfy double bed at night. Thanks to large windows, a midi-hecky roof light, and clean, lightwood cabinetry, the interior feels much larger than it actually is. The twin inward-facing sofas can also be used as two single beds, providing flexibility depending on your needs. This trailer shines when it comes to build quality. From craftsman-built dovetail drawers to the quiet close wardrobe doors, every inch of the XC Duo speaks to thoughtful design and durability. The vinyl flooring is heavy-duty and easy to clean, and the furniture is modern, yet cozy, ideal for relaxing after a long day of adventure. In the rear of the trailer, you'll find a fully functional L-shaped kitchen, a smart use of space that gives you extra worktop area and storage without compromising living space. The kitchen includes a Thetford triplex oven with 3 gas burners and an electric hot plate, plus a sleek black gloss sink with a lid for added countertop space. There's also a Dometic 98-liter fridge, neatly integrated beneath a wardrobe. Across from the kitchen, tucked into the rear offside corner, is the spacious bathroom, a real surprise for a trailer this size. It features a separate shower cabin with an Eco-Camel Jetstorm water-saving shower head, a stylish vanity with a circular wash basin, and even a Thetford swivel toilet. Add to that a large mirror, multiple shelves, a double-doored cabinet, and you've got an impressive setup rarely found in compact campers. On the outside, the XC Duo gets a full redesign with high-gloss diamond silver side panels, black alloy wheels, and rugged details. There's also a built-in bike rack for 2 bikes, a gas barbecue point, and an external access locker, perfect for outdoor living. What really sets this model apart in 2025 is that many previously optional features are now standard. The SE Pack, which used to cost extra and included items like alloy wheels, an Alco stabilizer, and steel spare wheel, now comes at no added cost. You also get an alarm system, tracking system, upgraded audio, and more, all included in the starting price of £23,499, around $30,740. So is it worth it? Absolutely. With no need to spend more on upgrades or add-ons, the Xplore XC Duo delivers excellent value, comfort, and flexibility for road-tripping couples. It's a great way to enjoy weekend getaways, extended travels, or even off-grid escapes without hauling a massive rig or sacrificing your lifestyle. Whether you're new to RV living or a seasoned traveler, the 2025 Xplore XC Duo proves that you don't need a big trailer to have big adventures. With its thoughtful layout, quality materials, and impressive list of features, it's more than just a travel trailer. It's a home on wheels designed for memories.